welcome back to Ithiverse Lovelies. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button. So today's video is going to be full of surprises. If you have not followed me on Instagram yet, अगर आप मुझे Instagram पे already follow करते हो तो you all know what all happened and what is about to happen. So I don't know how to say this, and I wanted Hiren to be with me in this video, but I'm at my mom's place right now and Hiren is at our home obviously. So वो इस वीडियो में शायद होगा शायद नहीं, because he's going to come in few minutes. But I am starting this video because I don't have time later to shoot and edit. So yeah, I don't know where to start from, but there are two good news and I don't know how to say this, but if you cannot see this, I mean the mehndi is quite light now and I don't know how to reveal it, but yeah, I'm going to be a mom. I don't know, like I did not plan on how to say this and how to reveal this, but yeah, I'm expecting and I'm in my 7th month now, which is like at the start of the 3rd trimester. So it's been it's been a roller coaster ride till now, and I know there's more to come, but anyways, everything apart, so starting from the start, मैंने ये ज़्यादा कहीं पे मेरे सोशल मीडिया पे रिवील नहीं किया था about this thing. So I'm going to start from the start and I'm going to show you guys कि मैंने जब मेरे फैमिली को ये चीज़ बताया तो what were the reactions. So I think I only have recording of my mother-in-law and my husband, because जब मैंने मेरे mom dad को बताया था I did not record them because you know वो इतना ज़्यादा खुद को express नहीं कर पाते हैं, and also they don't like to get filmed so much regarding these things, but they are very sweet, so I respect their decisions and all. But anyways, okay, so what I did was I took a pregnancy test kit. When it showed the result, I took a picture of it and I sent it to my mother-in-law. And then मैंने यश को बोला, यश इज़ लाइक हिरेन्स यंगर ब्रदर, तो मैंने उसको बोला कि मम्मा का रिएक्शन रिकॉर्ड करना, तो आई डिड दैट. एंड देन जब मैंने ये टेस्ट किया था मैं उसी शाम को मेरे मॉम के घर पे आ गई थी, बिकॉज आई वॉज सिक एंड आई थॉट आई वॉज सिक बिकॉज ऑफ डिफरेंट रीजन्स, बट इट वॉज जस्ट मॉर्निंग सिकनेस, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी 2 months पास हो गए थे. लाइक आई वॉज ऑलरेडी इन माई second month का मिड, सो इट वॉज ऑल मॉर्निंग सिकनेस. सो इसलिए मैं मेरी मॉम के यहाँ पे आई थी. सो जब हिरेन शाम को मम्मी के घर पे आया तो मैंने उसको दिखाया एंड देन आई रिकॉर्डेड हिज रिएक्शंस. सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू इंसर्ट दोज क्लिप्स ओवर हियर. एंजॉय इट. सो दिस हैज़ हैपेंड and I currently have no clue how to feel, because I actually missed my periods and I was pretty sure it was this, but like ये last time भी हुआ था तो I thought it's just some sickness that I'm getting, and I don't know how much to trust on this because obviously it's first time and nobody has talked to me about this and I have never talked to anybody about this, so I am completely clueless right now. Also, I was not prepared for this. I'm neutral, like I'm not even feeling happy, I'm not even feeling sad, I'm not even regretting. I'm just, I don't know. So yeah, I think I'm gonna be a mom. I'm going to go to a doctor tomorrow and confirm it. इसे अपनी नजरों से गुजारा किया कि हम भी आपको बताते हैं जब कोई बहुत बड़ा नया प्रोडक्ट मार्केट में आने वाला होता है तो बड़ी बड़ी कंपनियां बाजार में जाकर सर्वे कराती हैं कि लोगों की हैबिट्स क्या है. बस तुम खोल, बस तुम खोल. खोलो. And I know my face structure has changed a lot and my body structure has changed a lot. I am loving it, I'm hating it. It's a love-hate relationship right now, but I'm accepting it all with a positive mind. So let's see where it goes and where it takes me. So 15 अक्टूबर को हमने बेबी शावर रखा था एंड हम लोग ने बहुत ही क्लोज रिलेटिव्स को इनवाइट किया था बिकॉज आई होस्टेड दैट एट माई प्लेस एंड स्पेस का इशू था एंड ऑल्सो वी वॉन्टेड इट टू बी अ बिट इंटीमेट फंक्शन. दैट्स वाई एनीवे. So 15 October ko we did one more thing, but first go and watch this baby shower clips. I'm not going to put the whole video right now because हम लोग को edit करने को time नहीं मिला है and we are still editing it, but I'm just going to put a sneak peek of it so you guys can watch. So here it is. To the best part, if you have, like, I've already uploaded a short so you guys know maybe, and yeah, so इसकी तैयारी हम लोग ने बहुत ही पहले की थी. we got our own car and we surprised our parents with that. Like हम लोग पहले भी कर सकते थे इसको रिवील, बट देन हम ये एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे कि हमारे मॉम डैड लाइक फेस टू फेस हो एंड दे वॉच इट रादर दैन शोइंग देम ऑन वीडियो कॉल और समथिंग, बिकॉज हिरेन्स पेरेंट्स स्टे एट इंदौर. सो वो ऑब्वियसली बेबी शावर के लिए आने वाले थे, तो हम लोग ने सोचा कि हम तभी वो चीज़ रिवील करेंगे सबके सामने. एंड तब तक हम लोग ने ये सीक्रेट छुपा के रखा था. वी एक्चुअली गॉट द कार ऑन 29 September एंड उसके पहले भी बहुत चीज़ें प्लान की थी. एक्चुअली दिस वॉज अ इम्प्रॉम्प्टू डिसीजन टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, बट इट वॉज माई ड्रीम टू हैव समथिंग ऑफ आवर ओन एंड टू मेक आवर पेरेंट्स प्राउड. हम लोग को यहाँ पे आके ऑलमोस्ट मोर देन अ ईयर हो गया था. So I wanted to do something. I wanted to show it to my parents, to my in-laws, and I wanted to make them proud. So we did this on our own with our self-earned money, and we did not let anyone know about this, and we surprised them all at once, and the reactions were so priceless. I think you guys must see it. So first of all, I'm going to insert the clip of 29 September, जिस दिन हम लोग ने कार लिया, and then their reactions, so you guys can link it together and see, and you guys can also feel what we are feeling and what we went through. But yeah, it was a really nice day, and it was such a nice feeling to make our parents proud and to see that happiness on their face and to see that pride and that glow on their face. It's one of the most beautiful things to experience in this world. So I'm not going to talk much. You guys should just go and watch the video right now. So we have reached the showroom now, and our car is all ready, and yeah, we are excited. Hira,
मेरा गला सूख रहा है.
okay, so yeah, stay tuned.
गाडी घेतली मला वाटलं सगळं गाडी घेतली बघा गाडी बरं चला आपले जायचे वही फोटो लेना तो वहाँ चलते
अभी तक शौक में हो क्या
क्या एक दूसरे की गाड़ी के पास फोटो खींच रहा है कि दूसरे
अभी थोड़ी देर पहले मेरे सामने उन दोनों को बाजू में लेके गए
मुझे पता गाड़ी कशी वाटली
गाडी कशी छान
खूप छान ना काका गाडी कशी आहे गाडी कशी आहे
So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and make sure you comment down below on what you think and how you felt after watching this. And yeah, obviously we are going to post a full video of the baby shower thing, as I said earlier, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button so you get notified every time I put a new video. So make sure you like this video, comment down below, share this with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. And please shower your love and blessings to us. And yeah, wait for my new video. That's it. Have a great day, have a great life, be happy, make others happy, spread love. See you all guys very soon. Bye bye.